my name is Siciliano. I'll be singing I Need to Know from the musical Jack One Night.
I need to know the nature of the demons that possess, and so I need to know why man's content to let them make him less than whole. Why does he revel in murder and madness? What is it makes him be less than he should? Why is he doomed not to reach his potential? His soul is black when he turns his back upon good. I need to find a way to get inside the tortured mind of man. I need to try to separate the good and evil if I can. One thing is certain, the evil is strong. Good fights a hopeless and desperate fight. I must find ways of adjusting the balance to bring him back from the empty blackage of night. I need to go where no man has ventured before, to search for the key to the door that will end all this tragic and senseless decay. But how to go? I need to know. I need to learn the secrets of the mind that we cannot discern. I need to learn that things that make them past the point of no return. Why does a wise man take leave of his senses? Where is that fine line where sanity melts? When does intelligence give way to madness? A moment comes when a man becomes something else. I need to know why man plays this strange double game. His hand always close to the flame. It's a deal with the devil he cannot escape. But what's his aim? I need to know. Dear God, guide me, show me how to succeed with your wisdom inside me, and rich echo will follow where